What's up guys, it's Husqvarna and we're in some trouble today. There is a police control and we'll see if they want to stop me or not. I think they won't stop me. I look too professional to get stopped by police. I'm too handsome. So except for the police control, we're gonna do some turns today. I really miss turning. I was gonna record a hood history today, but I felt like turning. I mean, my back tire, my front tire, they are all flat. I've just gone straight for the last 6 times riding. So it's really time for some turns. So it's really good they have these controls. They check your criminal record and so on to see if they see any gang members. If they see any gang members, they try to take the cars from them and so on if they don't pay any tax. I think I'm all fine. They're only looking for heavily criminal people. And I'm just a bit criminal. I'm not heavily criminal, so a lot of police. Yeah, they weren't interested in me. See? I told you guys. Should I pop a wheel here? That's too much. So we're heading to Slingerbulten. I'm riding alone today and we're about to make some turns. I also adjusted my race sag. What I did is I adjusted the rear spring with a special kind of tool. Maybe I can show it later that I ordered. So now my rear shock is more compressed. So that makes the bike higher in the back and lower in the front. So I think I have to adjust it a bit more. It feels better, more suitable for my weight. I also saw another police control before pressing record. So it seems like they are out on the hunt today. We are now super close to the twist roads and I'm gonna try something new to get the best audio possible from the bike and from me. So I'm gonna use an external mic this time to see if I can get some super crispy sound of the exhaust and also me. If I'm saying something, I probably won't. But if I say something, then you guys will hear that as well. So hopefully you guys can hear both me, the bike, and everything else. So we'll see if I can turn better or worse with the new suspension settings. at this weather, man. Oh, my arms are tired. Ah, it's so windy. It's insanely windy. I wonder if I can pull it up in like 90 without any clutch. Yep, no problem at all. Yeah, so in front of us there's a specific kind of car that youths can drive that can only go like 30 miles per hour, 30 kilometers per hour. Sorry, I'm becoming so international. So I had a guy in my DMs that asked me if I believe that the Yamaha R1 or the Husky 701 is a good beginner bike and which one he should get. And that's a really good question, because they are totally different bikes. I've only ridden a Gixxer 1000, so I've never ridden a R1. Basically just think that if you are tall, the R1 is not for you at all. It's so tiny. Okay, dude. You won, man. Imaginary race. Come on, I'm just chilling here. Oh, that's so stupid. Yeah, this is tiring. See you guys in another episode. I'm never gonna drive this time of the day again. I'm sorry. I was gonna turn today, my tires just got flatter. Bye guys.